I am Dr. S.I. Mudavalapugodu, Assistant Professor at Sri L.K. College of Commerce, Sankeshwar. Today I am going to explain the causes which are responsible for rapid growth of population. Causes responsible for rapid growth of population. The main causes which are responsible for rapid growth of population after 1921 are high birth rate and declining death rate. Before 1921, birth rates were balanced by death rates. There was not much addition to the population as birth rate was balanced by death rate. It is only after 1921 the country experienced population explosion. The causes responsible for rapid growth of population can be classified into two broad groups. The first one is the causes responsible for high birth rate. And the causes responsible for low or declining death rate. These are the two main factors which are responsible for rapid growth of population after 1921. There are 5 factors which are responsible for high birth rate. The first one is tropical country. Second one is poverty, illiteracy, ignorance, superstitious beliefs, universal marriage, these are the causes which are responsible for high birth rate in India. The first one is tropical country. India is a tropical country. The climate is too hot here. So because of hot climate, boys get early puberty and girls get early maturity. Naturally, marriages take place at an early age, and early marriages provide long childbearing period. So the number of children will be high, leading to rapid growth of population in the country. The second cause is poverty, which is also responsible for more number of children. In poor families, the number of children will be more. The poor parents, they are not bothering about the number of children. They consider children as gifts of God, and addition of children to the family will be the addition of income to the family. This is the psychology or mentality of the poor people. So in poor families, the number of children will be more, and this is also responsible for rapid growth of population. And illiteracy and ignorance. Illiterate and ignorant people, they are unaware about modern birth control methods. They are unaware about the importance of small families. So the number of children will be more because of illiteracy and ignorance in India. And superstitious beliefs also responsible for rapid growth of population. The superstitious beliefs among the people, the religious people, they usually oppose the modern birth control methods. They consider children as gifts of God. So the number of children will be more and increase in the growth of population. And marriage in India is universal and it is a compulsory obligation in the society. Sooner or later everyone gets married. And lifelong bachelorship, childless families are looked down in the society, and particularly for women, marriage is inescapable obligation. So these are the causes which are responsible for rapid growth of population. And another cause which is responsible for rapid growth of population is declining death rate. Death rate has been declining in India because of improvement in the medical field and progress in knowledge and its application, control over modern diseases, and preference of the people towards small families, health awareness, improvement in the means of transport and communication, and control over the natural calamities. All these causes led to increase in the life expectancy of the people. So one side high birth rate and another side low death rate. These are the two main factors are leading to rapid growth of population after 1921, and imbalance in high birth rate and low death rate is responsible for rapid growth of population in India. Clear? Thank you.